in this video we will learn about balancing of reaction. The name itself suggests that something which is balanced, whether it is charge, atom, means they are completely balanced in the reaction is known as balancing of reaction. There are two methods. One is ion electron method and oxidation number method. So first we will discuss about ion electron method. First we will discuss about the steps and then we will apply. So the first is that write the reaction in the ionic form. Write the reaction in ionic form, then divide into two half reaction. One is oxidation and the other one is reduction. Then balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance other than hydrogen and oxygen. Then balance oxygen, and oxygen is balanced by H2O. Then balance hydrogen, and hydrogen is balanced by H plus. And if the medium is basic, then add OH minus on both sides equal to H plus. Add OH minus on both sides equal to H plus. Then balance charge, and charge is balanced by electron. Charge is balanced by electron. After balancing charge, add both the reactions so the electrons can be cancelled out. Add both the reaction so the electrons can be cancelled out. Now we see this in the reaction. So we have to balance this reaction. So first, this is already in the ionic form, so we have to half the reaction, which is Mn2 minus Mn plus 2, and here it will be oxalate this CO2. So here now we have to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So here it is Mn and Mn, so Mn is balanced. Then oxygen, so here it is 4 oxygen, so 4H2. Then hydrogen, so it is 4 into 2, which is 8, so 8H plus. Now we talk about charge. So here the charge is plus 8 minus 1, which is plus 7, and here it is plus 2. So there is difference of 5, so we will add 5 electrons over here. Now we balance this half reaction. So other than oxygen and hydrogen, so here it is carbon, 2 carbon and 1 carbon, so 2 carbon. Now oxygen, so here it is 2 into 2, 4 and 4, so oxygen is balanced and there is no hydrogen, so we don't need to balance hydrogen. Then charge, so here the charge is minus 2, so we'll add 2 electrons over here. Now we have to add both these reactions so the electrons can be cancelled out. MnO4 minus, and this will be Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. This will multiply at 2, so the electrons will be cancelled out. And oxalate 2 CO2 and 2 electron, this by 5. So it will be 2 into 5, 10 electron, and 5 into 2, 10 electron. So the 10 electron will be cancelled out. Other than that, it will be 2 into MnO4 minus will be 2 MnO4 minus, 2 into 8, 16H plus, and 5 C2O4 minus 2, and this will be 2 Mn plus 2, 2 into 4, 8H2, and this will be 5 into 2, which will be 10 CO2. So the reaction is balanced, and we read like this, that 2 moles of KMnO4 oxidizes 5 moles of oxalate in acidic medium. Then the second is, this is the disproportionate reaction, means the same element undergoes oxidation and in reduction, and this is in basic medium. So first you have to write the half of the reaction. So it will be this Br2 Br3 minus. Then we have to balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So it is bromine, 2 bromine and 1 bromine, so 2 bromine. And there is no oxygen and hydrogen, so no need to balance oxygen and hydrogen. Then the charge, so here it is minus 2, so 2 electrons over here. Then we balance this half reaction, so here it is 2 bromine, so 2 bromine. Then oxygen is 2 into 3, 6, so 6H2. This is 6 into 2, which is 12 H plus. And as the medium is basic, so we will add OH minus on both sides equal to H plus. So here H plus is 12, so we will add 12 OH minus on both sides. So 12 H plus and 12 OH minus will be 12 H2O. And this 12 H2 and 6 H2 will be cutted. So here it will be only 12 OH minus and here it will be 6 H2O. Now we talk about the charge. So here the charge is minus 12 and here it is minus 2. So there is difference of 10 electrons. So 10 electron over here. Now we will multiply this by 5. So the electrons will be cancelled out. So this will be 5 into 2, 10 electron plus 5 Br2 and 10 Br minus. And this will be as it is 12 OH minus plus Br2, 2 BrO3 minus, 6 H2 and 10 electrons. So this 10 electron and 10 electron will be cancelled out, and so it will be 12 OH minus 5 Br2 and 1 Br2, which is 6 Br2, and this is 2 BrO3 minus, 6 H2 and 10 Br minus. So the reaction is balanced, and in simplest form we can write as, because it is dividing by 2, so in simplest it will be 6 OH minus plus 3 Br2, BrO3 minus, so it will be 3 H2 and 5 Br minus. So in simplest form we can write like this. Then the second method is oxidation number method. So in this, first we have to find the n factor, then we have to cross multiply. So the oxidation state of Mn over here, it is plus 7 and it is plus 2. So there is difference of 5 and here there are 2 carbon and it will be 2 carbon. So the oxidation state of 1 carbon is plus 3, of 2 it will be plus 6, and here of 1 it is plus 4, 2 it will be plus 8. So there is difference of 2, means 2 MnO4 minus and 2 Mn plus 2, and it will be 5 C2O4 minus 2 and 5 into 2, which is 10 CO2. And if we talk about the oxygen and hydrogen, so here the oxygen is 2 into 4, which is 8, and 5 into 4, 20. So means 20 plus 8, 28, and here it is 20. So there is difference of 8, so we will add 8 H2 over here. And if you talk about hydrogen, so here it is 8 into 2, 16, so 16 H plus. So the reaction is balanced, and we can cross check also, like here the Mn is 2 and 2 Mn, C means carbon, 5 into 2, which is 10, and 10. If we talk about oxygen, so here it is 2 into 4, 8, and 5 into 4, which is 20, 28, and here it is 10 into 2, 20 and 8. Then we talk about hydrogen. So here the hydrogen is 16 and 8 into 2, 16. Then if we talk about charge, so here the charge is plus 16 and minus 2, and it is minus 10. So it is plus 4, and here the charge is plus 4. So the charge is also balanced, means the reaction is balanced. The next is this. So the oxidation state of Mn is plus 7 and here it is plus 2. So there is difference of 5, and here the oxidation state of nitrogen is plus 3 and here it is plus 5. So there is difference of 2. Means 2 moles of MnO4 minus oxidizes 5 moles of NO2 minus in acidic medium. Okay, and if you balance oxygen, so here the oxygen is 2 into 4, 8, and 10 means 18, and here it is 15. So there is a difference of 3, so we will add 3 H2 over here. Then hydrogen, so it is 3 into 2, 6, so 6 H plus over here. So the reaction is balanced. The next is this. So the oxidation state is plus 7, and here it is plus 2, difference of 5, plus 2 and plus 3, so difference of 1. So 1 mole of MnO4 minus oxidizes 5 moles of Fe plus 2 in acidic medium, and oxygen here are 4, so 4H2. Then hydrogen is 4 into 2, which is 8H plus over here, so the reaction is balanced. Then the next is this. So the oxidation state of Mn is +7 and here it is +2, difference of 5, +2 and +4, so there is difference of 2. Means 2 moles of MnO4 minus oxidizes 5 moles of Sn plus 2 in acidic medium. And if we talk about oxygen, so here the oxygen is 2 into 4, which is 8 H2, and it is 8 into 2, which is 16H plus. So the reaction is balanced. Next is this. So in this, the oxidation state is +7 and it is +2. So there is difference of 5, and here there is 2 iodide. So the oxidation state is -2 and 0, so there is difference of 2. So means 2 moles of MnO4 minus oxidizes 5 into 2, which is 10 moles of iodide in acidic medium. Will be 5 into 2, which is 10, and 2 Mn plus 2. Then we talk about oxygen. So here the oxygen is 2 into 4, 8 H2, and 8 into 2, which is 16H plus. The reaction is balanced. Then the next we talk in basic medium. So this reaction is in basic medium. So the oxidation state is of Mn, here it is +7 and here it is +4. So there is difference of 3, and here the oxidation state is -1 and it is x minus 6 is equals to -1, which is +5. So there is difference of 6. So it is in simplest ratio we can 1:2. So means 2 moles of MnO4 minus oxidizes 1 mole of I minus in acidic medium, and this will be 2. And if you talk about the oxygen, so here it is 4 into 2, 8, and here are 3 and 4, which is 7. So we only add 1 H2O. Then we talk about hydrogen. So here the hydrogen is 2, so we will add 2H plus over here. And as the medium is basic, so we will add OH minus on both sides equal to the H plus. So here it is 2H plus, so 2OH minus, and here also 2OH minus. Okay, and this 2H plus and 2OH minus will be 2H2, and 2H2 and H2 will be cutted. So here it will be only H2 and here it will be only 2OH minus. So the reaction is balanced. Thank you.